Hello, and welcome to a not so guitar building video. I don't know where to start. Yep, where have I been? What is my story? And where is my guitar? I'll tell you now. My guitar, as it is right now, it's Wednesday, 6 o'clock at night, or PM. It's 6 o'clock PM, 19th of October, 2022. And I have yet still to router out my neck pocket. Yikes. Yeah, no, I just want to keep the people that has followed me into this GGBO journey an update, and I feel like I need to apologize to you guys for not maintaining the consistency that all the other contestants did, mainly because I had to travel, or still do. I am physically still, I'm just here at my home for a week before I have to go back to Cape Town again for another 3 weeks. Yeah, work life has been hard. It's been hard to fit in, again, work, social life, and GGBO. And it's been quite a challenge, and here I am to say that I failed at that challenge. I could not manage my time correctly. I failed miserably. If this was a school project, I probably wouldn't even got an F. I wouldn't have gotten a strike, whatever that means. Yeah, not much to comment on that regarding the guitar building. I unfortunately just couldn't make it. It's just, work schedule was just too hectic. On top of that, work, then it's just, oh no, that was just a shit show. This 4 months that I had to, there was 4 months, or still am, I'm now in my 5th month right now, where I would spend a week at home here in the Eastern Cape, then fly for 3 weeks, or drive down to Cape Town for 3 weeks, and then come back again for a week. It's just hectic. And what I would normally have done is I would drive up and down between the two, and it just became so unbearably expensive with the fuel prices, even in our country, that went up. It just wasn't feasible enough just to justify I want to drive because my tools are with me, so that I can work in Cape Town, bring my tools up to the Eastern Cape, boom, do work, and then film it as well. As, yeah, as you would see between the two, every time I would edit, you would see I was on 2 different places. And those 2 places are 759 kilometers apart from one another. So it was hectic, and it is still. I am still focusing on getting my guitar done and filming, but unfortunately I'll just have to post it on my own time. I think that the more I stress about getting out videos, which is also taking me a toll, yet I've got 52 subscribers that I'm very thankful about, but then, like, what the fuck, Frans? You should be giving them content. I know, and I'm sorry. But there is still videos to come. Keep in mind that, yeah, just stick around, I guess. And I want to say to all of the other contestants, especially the scratch build category, I mean, flip it. There is some guitars that was beautifully made and crafted, and it's just one of those things where if I would have rocked up, I would have I made this, and then someone would say, "Ach ja, no man, I made this." Like, wow. Yeah, so this is my first guitar that I've actually built from scratch. Well, I'm still busy building it from scratch. So there's a lot of stuff that I figure out as I go, knowing that I can go watch Ben's videos and see what to do in that scenario. And granted, I just don't have the time to do that. But it is what it is. And I am deeply sorry for those who followed me and expected me to finish. I just don't know what to say to you guys. I am terribly sorry. And I honestly hope that you would stick around, because I feel that should I do release a video or two, yeah, it will happen in the next couple of weeks, regardless. But yeah, thank you so much for being part of my journey so far. That's all I can say. And I wish you all the best for those who finish the guitars in time. And there's a couple. I wish I could vote for more than one, but unfortunately, there's only one vote per category. And I've already made up my mind, which I will probably not tell you guys, because I like keeping it anonymous, and I will vote for the person that I feel deserved it. And I honestly hope that the rest of you have a fantastic instrument to play with, and have a fantastic day. All right, I'll probably see you guys in a couple of weeks, but for now, I'm out. Cheers. Bye.